Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Today our annual term class starts. Now I'm going to take computer class for class 4. Today our topic is chapter 7, page 68 and 69 and question answer 1 from this chapter. This is lecture number 1 and homework number 1 will be given today. So dear students, please look at chapter 7. We will start a new chapter for our annual term today. Chapter 7 is Introduction to MS Word 2007. We will discuss Microsoft Word 2007 in this chapter. Our objectives for this lesson is create a simple document of MS Word and make corrections in it, and save, retrieve and print an MS Word document. We will see how to do these things in this chapter. Dear students, look here. Suppose you have written these lines here in your book. It's written here, I have started reading in a new full stop. You can see there's a mistake. I have started reading a new book. There's a word missing. Then it is called Black Beauty. The name of the book is Black Beauty, so it should be capitalized, but it's not capitalized. It is very interesting. You must always read it. It should be you must also read it. So you can see there are some mistakes here. Now look here. Read it carefully. Can you find any mistakes? We have already found the mistakes. The first sentence, book should be written after new. Black Beauty is a proper name. Both black and beauty should start with capital letters. In the last sentence, always should be also. So these are the mistakes we saw in the above passage. Let's go to the next page. Carry out the corrections in your handwritten sentences above. If you write the sentences and then if you correct them, what do you see? Do they look untidy? To make them look neat, you will have to write them again. So if you write with your hand and then if you want to correct it, then you have to write again if you want to make it neat. Rewriting takes a lot of time, especially if you have written a long essay or a letter. When you have written something long, it takes much time to rewrite it. Is it possible to produce a neat essay or letter without rewriting it after correcting the mistakes? Yes, it is possible. You can use your computer to help you do this. So writing with your hand again takes a lot of time, but if you use your computer, it takes less time. Let's look at the next topic, processing words. All you will need is your computer, a word processing software package and a printer. So if you want to write using your computer, then you will need a word processor, a software to process words. The software package is called a word processor because it lets you work with words. So the software is called a word processor because it works with words. There are many word processing software packages available today, such as MS Word and OpenOffice Writer. These two are softwares for writing, for processing words in your computer. Notepad is a simple word processing software. Notepad is also a word processing software, but it's a simpler version. And with Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer, you can usually perform more complex writing tasks. Here, we will use the software package MS Word or Microsoft Word. It is often simply called Word. There could be some difference in the commands depending on the version of MS Word that you are using. So in this chapter, MS Word or Microsoft Word will be discussed. Sometimes this software is also just called Word. And depending on the version of MS Word, there can be some differences in the layout of the software. Now next topic is creating your first Word document. In this topic, it is shown how to create a Word document We will partially finish it today, and in the next class we will continue. So let's read. You can say that the pages of a book store the words on them. Similarly, a Word document stores whatever you type. So if a book stores words, it stores them on pages, and if you save on a Word document, you can say that it stores whatever you type. It could be a letter, an essay, a poem, a timetable, or a class notice. Just like you save your pictures in Paint, a document can be saved in the computer's memory. So with the Word document, we can save our writing in the computer's memory. And how it can be done, that will be discussed in the next class. So let's look at our question answer now. This is HW1 for you, okay? So the first question answer from this chapter is, what is word processor? A word processor is a software package which lets us work with words. We can create, edit, save, retrieve and print documents using a word processor. There are many word processing software packages available today, such as Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer. So what is a word processor? It's a software package, and what does it let us do? It lets us work with words. And which task can we perform with it? We can create, edit, save, retrieve and print the documents using a word processor. And Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer are two examples of software packages that are used for processing words. And this will be your homework number 1. This is HW1, and you have to submit this HW on 10th July 2021, next Saturday. Okay dear students, read the chapter again, do the homework carefully and please submit it next Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.